If you are looking for affordable prices and amazing beaches, Albania is waiting for you guys. Blue waters, clean waters, amazing beaches and incredible weather.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story.
So we are at Shemo Resort, or better say Shemo Restaurant Bar, which is super nice. It's not a sponsor video, but it's like super nice here, and the prices look okay. So the coffee was like 800 left, which means 0.6 cents, and it's super nice. And the place is really nice, really beautiful. The beach over there.
So the reason that I chose this place is because the prices were super affordable, and the place it was like super nice.
Just enjoying and relaxing at the beach. And something that I want to show, because in Albania it's like the opinion that the sunbeds are a little bit expensive, and actually are expensive, but in this place that I am here, that is Shemo restaurant in Saranda, it's like 7,000 left, 5 euros for both of these, the umbrella and the dual sunbed. So I think it's a very reasonable price and very good price, and it's not sponsored as I said before, but it's just that I'm really enjoying and I'm liking this place, and it's okay. And the beach is beautiful actually.
Another reason that I chose to do this video in this place is because the Plaka beach in Saranda is hidden. It's not very famous and very touristic destination, because not a lot of tourists know this place, and mostly it's populated by locals. So this is a good reason to show
Blue waters, clean waters, amazing beaches and incredible weather. This is like super nice place, really enjoying the staying here, and now it's like 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. actually, and the sun is going a little bit down, but the scenery here is really beautiful, the water is really clean, and yeah, highly recommend actually. So for a fresh day in Saranda, if you are in Saranda, this is a nice place. And we are in Saranda in the summer resort town in Albania, which is so popular nowadays, and it's like a super nice one of them, probably the best in Europe nowadays, and I think this deserves more attention from the European people and from people all abroad the world, because it's really nice. It is another beach that is called the Plaka and means the stone bridge. It is stone beach, which is super nice, and it's such a unique one. Probably not foundable in many places, and it's such a beautiful and unique one. I'm going to show you that now. So yeah, pretty much super enjoyable, because it's clean rocky surface, but slim rocky surface, and huge stones, beautiful one. One of the best parts of Saranda, best beaches, is highly recommend also this beach, beautiful one. And the view is beautiful, of course we are in coastline. And here is like a jumping platform, probably really nice, and of course we are going to take a dip and jump to the water. Oh, enjoying. And it's pretty deep actually, the Saranda Sea is way too deep. Even if you are close to the shores, it's a little bit deep. So if you're not that good swimmer or comfy, I don't recommend to go in far from the beach side and to the coast. Super enjoyable time in Saranda. So quickly.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color
going around 7 p.m. and the sun is going down, but I'm super enjoying the day here, and I would recommend everyone that is in Saranda or try to visit Saranda to come here in this kind of beaches. Okay, in this rock you have must, so you should be careful because you can slip. It's so slippery. Don't go, or go carefully there because everyone might slip. Super slippery. So yeah, just lay down here like a cow in the sun and enjoying the sea. Super beautiful. Actually, there's been a discussion that the prices are really high, and actually in many places are really high, but today in Saranda I found really good prices and affordable ones. For example, sunbeds were $7, not $7, €5, $5, 7,000 left, and the price of food was extremely affordable. I'm not going to say super cheap, but affordable. For example, a plate of spaghetti was also 700 lek, which means €6, €5 and a half, something like that. And seafood spaghetti, of course, and fish was like 10,000 lek, €8. Super price, super affordable price for the place that you are staying and for vacation. And the drink, the coffee was like 0.60 cent and water 0.50 cent. So I am really thankful that I found this place, and I'm thinking that not every part of Albania and every place actually have expensive price. Actually, in many places this year have been abusing. They have been abusing with prices, but now in this place in Saranda you can find also affordable prices like today, and I'm still having fun. Also here you can eat, and the prices I told you before, they are super good, and you can come here.